All right, Pyros, Big Brother Pyro here today with another video, guys. Today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at another assortment. This one's called Times Square Firework Assortment. This one I picked it up from AFW Fireworks. And I see around it has the Broadway Betty there, Broadway Betty there. I don't know the connections. I don't know a Broadway Betty. I don't know if that's Betty Boop or supposed to be, or from the old New York play Betty, but let's take a quick look at this, guys, and see what's in here. It's a pretty good assortment. It has a Firehawk product, Shogun product, and I even think something from AFW. This is like their house assortment they've just put together themselves. I kind of like assortments like that because you get a little bit of everything in it. Let's take a quick look what they have in here, guys. First item, they have some 3-stage flyers called Pigs Can Fly. They have a 36-shot Happy Firework. It's from Shogun. From AFW, guys, they have a Gender Reveal Smoke 2-piece. They got a couple packs of these Pop Pops from Shogun Fireworks. They've got a Georgia Peach Fountain. I tried this a long time ago. These are pretty good, these little fountains. Actually got some good weight on it too. It's a single tube, but it's pretty full. That's from Shogun. Got a classic Garden in Spring. Performance. Performance reads, begins with a 3-color fountain, then shoots out a myriad of red, green, blue, silver, yellow, and crackling stars. And they, from Firehawk, we got a Jack in the Tall box. It's about a hand length. Then we got a 10-shot Crackling Rain. This one reads, 10 shots, 20 seconds duration time. The type is a straight fire, effects Crackling Comet, and the color is gold. Then of course we got also from Shogun. That was from AFW also, guys, sorry about that. But from Shogun, we got festival balls, and these are actual balls, not the mini canisters. That's that. Then we go over, we got also from Shogun, we got Yellow Bees. This is a hybrid. Shoots flaming balls. And the performance reads, shoots yellow and multicolored bees into the sky. Then we got something I've never seen before. We have the Shogun Crackling Saturn Missile. It's Saturn Missile battery, sorry. It's a 100-shot, but I've never seen one shaped like this, like with just 100 count. This is from Shogun also. Pretty cool. We also have some Shogun Disco Flashers. That's a not sure, maybe like a, oh yeah, 6-piece. Then we have another 10-shot cake. This is Solar Wind. I know this is a comic cake. 10 shots, 20-second duration, straight fire, effects Comet, and they're silver. last but not least, guys, we got another product from Firehawk called Go Bananas. Let's see if it has a performance. Yeah, it says effect torch to white chrysanthemum, red blue sparks to white spring, and loud silver. I think that's supposed to be rain. Loud silver rain. Red torch to white glitter, green yellow sparks to white spring, ends with extra large crackling chrysanthemum. That's from Firehawk, and that's Go Bananas. Oh yeah, Pyros, I got ahead of myself. I said last but not least, but these are the last product. We got 2 100 strips of Shogun flashlight crackers. Also go in this box. Apologize for that. But once again, Pyros, this is the Times Square firework assortment from AFW. Vulcan, Shogun, Mighty Max, Firehawk, all same company. Can't remember who their 1.3G is, but I like this company. I like their assortments. You guys have a good one.